One Nigerian DJ don't dey on the run after killing his pregnant wife. Olaiwola Olatunji, where people know him as DJ Scot, now do this kind thing. According to our source now, DJ Scot and his wife have been a girlfriend. Tina, two of them now don't they date for 2 years. And as it be, they don't even get pikin for themselves. But it be like say na there Tina can't notice say this guy dey with him for just money purpose. Say this guy get reason where we say in they follow him. Because of say wait, this girl don't they sick for so many years. For this guy to carry this woman say go hospital, make they go, this guy no go gree. Even family member make they come check this girl. This guy no go gree, say lie he no go do. And during this their courtship process, now there they notice say everything where this girl they do for him family, now there everything stop. This girl abandon everything, can't decide to take care of this guy. Now she buy him house, now she buy him. In fact, everything where the guy gets, now in they do everything. Now there the family call the reason say it be like say something they inside this matter. But my people before they go rush, make they go meet this girl. Now there they notice say this their pikin don't dey in critical condition. But before they go rush, I say okay, make the carry and reach hospital. Now there doctors confirm say this girl don't die. But as the matter be, this thing don't turn out of hand because of say waiting. This husband now, this DJ Scot, they no see him again. Now they when they want you will be saying you carry wife, say they marry, where you dey? They call this man phone tired, this man phone no gree go. Now there they begin find their pikin say phone. They find this girl phone, they no see. Now there they come say it be like say something they happen. Now there they come go this house, go set. Now there they notice say all this girl vital document, the husband don't pack everything wrong go. ATM card or our phone, everything. This man don't carry everything wrong. Come out. The one we can surprise me, pass. They can't say juju things. Fetish pot, we even call them different types of pot with juju. Where this man don't keep there, use and tell hold this woman down. And I see the kind of things where people they do. And the shock of my life, this girl family don't know anything about this man. A name, they just know say the man name na DJ Scot. A name na Tunji, I been say call him. But where this man they live, they don't know. This man family, they don't know. May God protect us from evil partners, because as it be like this, it be like say this world won't come to an end. But I beg God be say parents go marry their daughter out, I been dash their daughter out to a person where they don't know anything about them. In family, on no no. And I beg if now they fall in love, make now they fall in love with sense. Because it be like say nah, a problem don't dey inside this love matter. Why not say they force you enter this kind of relationship? One way you know say if the man no they allow you visit your family, you know that you suppose not say something they this thing. You suppose not say one kind wahala go shele. Say you won't go greet your mama, this man will say no. It means say this man get plan. And I beg for men. And I go marry, in fact, now go see good women like this, but I go still start to dey misbehave. See what this woman do for this man. House, or cow, everything. Still, this man no see they satisfied. He still feel say now until he go kill. And now the reason I say this man, all the sickness where this girl don't, I sure say this man they give him poison. I sure say now slow poison now this man they give him. Now wait to make this girl come die last. But anyway, now agreed now go do this man. I hope say they go catch this man. And anyway where they catch him, may they give him the law where he deserve. But I go say rest in peace to this girl and your unborn baby. Because you guys say this girl still even get another belly. Hey! Some people they wicked, they no even reason for your own child. Say, okay, this girl born for me. Now the fact say you won't collect this girl property, now only this kind of thing and this person reason. My people, things they happen. But I hear this one as make her bring and come, make na service in her ear. Hear what they happen. Anything we have in feel about this matter, make not forget to write them inside the comment section. I go see you for the next video. We just find out about one underdeveloped school where students they go to. This one they inside Port Harcourt. This one they call the school Community Primary School for Eteche. This one they inside River State. Now there people go there, they come begin realize say, then these students where they go this school, common bench and table. What it be bench and table? Common nothing are going you stick. For then these students to use take learn. This thing no they inside this classroom. Now blocks and then these students they sit down on top. Say that they use and learn. If not even see as this classroom, they jaga. No table for teacher, no table for even student. I don't know how then these people won't tell them. But this one, now if I see as the place even be, my people beg, make now follow me see.
This is where they sit down to learn. That is the chair and that is the table. Wow, interesting. So to show you how recent this is, you can see the date on the board. This was for yesterday, and this one happens today. You can see the date on the board. You can see still no door, there are no windows, and this is a full classroom.
Hey, our government people, where they on I will change, I beg. This one, I don't even know who are supposed to hold responsible. They are the governor, I mean at the commission, I don't even know who will go home. Because I sure say they go no say this kind of school dey this place. They go no say this kind of school dey the community, but they go just decide say they want on deaf ear to the matter. They go they behave like say since their own pikin no they go to school now, they no care. I beg make na see as classroom be. How book won't even take enter pikin head? When we say sun dey hot, sun go dey beat you. Still block where they put inside class, so we say you go put your that one self go dey hot on top of your body. The thing don't make sense. Oh. We dey always talk all these kind of things. Go be like say person just they tackle government, they tackle government. But if government they do their work and all these kind of things, we don't go to talk about them. But I beg for this video, self, come out day inside. Person will do them in the show us the date. Say this one na just yesterday. But I beg, I think say schools they on holiday. So how come students go come dey inside this place they learn by this time of the day? It means say either they pay this person self to call this thing to spoil the government's name, or it means say they just do this one say they won't just protest, spoil the thing. But I beg, if this one are true, maybe at least try change them. And I beg, I think say during our Mechi tenure, he talk say he do all the whole schools. Say he renovate everything within. I beg, how come this one not be school? I be this one a shrine. Maybe you forget say this one at school now. Wait till make you know even reason I can't do this one own. But I beg, and the people of this community they don't they call out to you. At least and government making a come aside. On the fee award contracts, billions of naira. Okay, may they go buy car, may they go buy keke na pep. They do this one. If now what 70 blocks, I be table and chair and things. May they tell you innovate this school and buy things. I'm not sure anything will change. Or make myself just decide, okay, make I give contractor work, make contractor come there, come do all this thing. In fact, it will be kudos to our own government. But if I decide, say, you know, what thing I go gain inside? In fact, this one you go just spoil on a you go just spoil everything. Because all these kind of things when they do, people they see them. And people they count them as their own bad side. So I beg, make I find something to do about this school. Make I find something because if I even do myself, this one's not for our future leaders. At least later tomorrow, then these children say go come outside talk say, okay, oh, now this is so governor, I mean now this is so party. Now I do this kind of thing for us. Make na not just behave like say una no they see the thing. We they beg, na beg, we they beg on. My people, I hear this story as make I bring and come. Make na service na ear. Hear what they happen. Anything when I feel, make na not forget to write them inside the comment section. Make na stay tuned for the next video.